Also, everybody got this Chinese tea here. So on the front is in Chinese, at the back it says I am Buddha, but I think they got the translation a bit wrong, because this roughly translates to Iron Goddess, rather than Iron Goddess, Metal Goddess, something like that, rather than Iron Buddha. Whoever translated it is an idiot. Yeah, or multi-pack. Well, this got sent to me, so I don't know where they got this from, but history from multi-pack. It's a tea bag. So yeah, we're back with the tea videos again, you know. Yeah, square tea bag. Might just leave the string on, easy to take out the cup later. So yeah, let's just get the water boiled and let the tea do its thing. The tea has been made, and the bloody tea bag doesn't look like it wants to like sink in. So it's just floating there, man. How's that shit meant to brew, huh? The bloody string was pointless. Maybe I'll just stick a spoon or something in there, just keep it in there. But seems like it's still brewing. You know, like the tea leaf part is in the water. Yeah, it should be okay. Let that shit just sink in there maybe. Oh fuck, that's hot. Yeah. Initial color is a bit orangey, yellowish sort of color. Alright, so it's been about 5 minutes now, and the color's deepened. Smells like Chinese tea. It doesn't really smell like that Iron Goddess, Metal Goddess, whatever you want to call it, tea. Yeah, just give it a quick jab about like this, you know. Give it a quick mix. Good that I kept the string. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna give it a quick taste and see what it tastes like. Okay, it's really bloody hot. Yeah, it tastes nothing like it, man. Some stupid generic tea bags, low budget shit. But like, shit was sent to me, it was free. Like, do I really give a shit? Okay, I'm here to review teas. I reviewed it. This one's shit, so don't get this Luck You brand Chinese tea. Yeah, it's no good, man. It tastes nothing like it. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video here. Hope you enjoyed it. This tea series hasn't finished yet, so still got a few more teas. I just stopped for a while because I was busy and that. So yeah, that's pretty much it.